Gentlemen, keep your eye on the sky for the aerial acrobatics of Captain Glenn Quagmire.
Whoa, gonna need some help here. All right. Don't worry, you're a quagmire. It's in your blood. Grip it and rip it.
Okay.
Atta girl, perfect. No, we're not doing that. I got my daughter with me today, you perv.
He's not doing it today.
Maybe we'll get lucky and see another crash this year.
Yeah!
Hey, check it out! There's an Airshow!
Oh my god, they're gonna crash!
No, don't worry. It's a gay air show. They're just gonna lightly touch tips.
Giggity over there on the 32nd floor. I'm gonna go in for a closer look. All right.
Quagmire, look out!
Oh, no!
Jeez, that was a close one.
Yeah, but at least nobody got hurt.